Hi guys, welcome to Progressive Cakes and Nourishment. If today is your first time of watching my video, click the subscribe button and also click on the notification bell. Click on all notifications to be getting a lot of my new video. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to prepare this custard. Not only preparing it, but also how to produce it. You know you can produce custard and start selling to your friends and family. This custard tastes good. You can see how yummy our custard is looking. Nice. For your ingredients, you will be needing 1 cup of cornstarch. This corn flour, you can get it in a cake shop. Go to a cake shop and ask them for cornstarch. This egg yellow, you can also get it in a cake shop. This vanilla flavor, you can add any flavor of your choice. My vanilla flavor is 1 tablespoon, and I will be using half teaspoon of my egg yellow. Add your 1 cup of cornstarch, add your 1 tablespoon of vanilla flavor, add half teaspoon of egg yellow cream. I don't want to add all this as if it's much. I measured out 1 teaspoon, so I have to add half. That means when you're measuring, measure half teaspoon. Now it's time to dissolve. At this time, start boiling your hot water, little at a time as you dissolve till everything is well dissolved. My hot water is ready. Start adding little by little as you stir till your cornstarch is ready. Yay! It's okay, take your time and turn. If today is your first time of watching my video, welcome to Progressive Cakes and Nourishment. In this channel, I tutor you how to bake cake and decorate them. I tutor you also how to make your pastries, meat pie, buns, fish roll, and so many more. Check out my channel, I have a lot for you. And also smoked chops and different African food. Click the subscribe button and also hit the notification bell to be getting a lot of my new video, so that any day I post any new video, you will get the alert. Our custard is ready. Don't forget to like my video. Feel free to ask questions, feel free to comment, share to your friends and family, invite a friend to this channel. Feel free to try this recipe. You will thank me later. If you try it, you will stop buying custard in the market. You and your family will be enjoying this. You will even turn to a producer. Thank you so much for watching this video. Bye bye.